Hello and welcome to Bavarian Redline.
In today's episode, we're going to be doing a really straightforward swap of the wheels on our F82 M4. If you haven't seen the previous videos, please go watch those on us picking up this car from Nebraska. But we have the 437Ms on it right now, and it has a set of Pilot Super Sports. And what we're going to do is we're going to swap over this spare set of wheels that we actually had to ride with them in the back seat of the car on the way back. We're going to put these on there for two reasons. One, I just want to see how they look, so let us know in the comments if you think they look any better than the stock 437Ms. But the other reason we're doing it is because there's really good contact or really good tread left on these Continental Extreme Contact tires, and it's rainy season here in Florida, so I think that could make a big difference in driving it throughout the rest of the year. So we're going to go ahead and get started on that now. Let's get the car jacked up. What do you think so far? I think it looks pretty dang good, to tell you the truth. They're a little bit of concave to them, so they have a little bit of concave. They look really good with the BMW center cap. So there's a couple places of curb rash, but that's pretty straightforward. We'll just get them refinished, maybe in a black, or maybe go back this gunmetal. If you have an opinion about that, please let us know. But let's get this front one put on. We'll get it torqued down and then we'll jump to the other side. All right, so we just finished up this side. The car hasn't settled yet, but I think it looks pretty dang good. I'm pretty happy with that side. So we're gonna go ahead and knock out the passenger side. Hopefully, fingers crossed, these things have TPMS sensors in them, and then we'll go take it for a little drive once we get this side done. All right, so other than it's 1,000 degrees in our garage, that went super smoothly. Got the new wheels put on. I think they look pretty sweet. We're gonna take it for a quick test drive. Like I said, fingers crossed, hopefully there's TPMS sensors in here so we don't have to take them back off and get the TPMS sensors swapped out of these 437s. It's probably a really good thing that we did this because, and I don't know if you can see, but there's cords that are starting to show, and there's some worse spots actually than that. Yeah, there you go. There was cores starting to show. Every Beamer I've had seems like they wear unevenly on the inside of those tires, even if they're almost new. So we're gonna jump in, take it for a little test drive, and make sure everything's smooth. And then other than that, I think we're good to go. So we're gonna hop in the car.
Hop in.
Hop in, baby. Right on fuel reserve. That's the way we like it for a short test drive. All right, so no TPMS yet, but that probably takes a minute to click on. Feeling a little bit of a vibration coming through the wheel. Hopefully that doesn't get worse as we go faster, otherwise we might need to have these things balanced. I would say there's a flat spot on the tire, but since it wasn't sitting on those tires, I don't know if that's the case. Well, it seems pretty good. Get out here and get it up to a little bit of speed and see how it feels. I can tell you right now, immediately, these Continentals are quieter.
They feel more smooth.
Yeah.
Feels like a smooth.
Those Super Sports make like more noise than you would think, but they're set up for performance more so than being quiet or super efficient. Let's get over here and pull out after we wait for the worst turn on the planet pulling out of our neighborhood. Oh, look at this 7 Series riding on the, what, we got 22s? Hell yeah. Look at that.
Those are so ugly.
Yeah, those are definitely not the best. Might be some those might be some local tire shop. Yeah, I'll just put it that way. Hernandez tire, 4 payments, same as cash. Wheel set up. Alright, let's get it up to a little bit of speed here. Want to push it too hard, I got it efficient too. But I mean, it feels pretty good. Overall, I think it was probably a success. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button. We hope to keep bringing you guys more content. I know this was a simple video, but just tried to get one in, and this is something that we've been meaning to do. So thanks for watching, and bye, Leah.
Bye.